हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका सम स्प्रिंट में। एंड एक बार फिर से हाजिर हो गई हूँ आपके लिए एक अनदर पावरफुल फंक्शन लेके, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सम प्रोडक्ट। यस, सम प्रोडक्ट इज़ वेरी पावरफुल एंड वेरी यूजफुल फंक्शन इफ़ you are a finance professional, if you are a data analyst, if you work on Excel every single day. So this function is very powerful for you. This is, we can say, this is a combination of many formulas, many functions. So it make our life more easier. If you haven't done this one, this formula before, so let's jump on it and then learn how to do this function, right? So but before that, we need to know what sum product is. So sum product allows you to multiply ranges of cells and arrays and returns the product sum. It multiplies the supplied array before adding them. It is a very beneficial function that can be used in various ways depending on your needs. It can handle array in multiple ways and assist in comparing data in two or more ranges. Additionally, it aids in data calculations involving several criteria. So let's jump on it and then see how to use this function. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and then I will be very thankful for that one. So I do have this data with me. So in this data, I do have different products, category, the quantity sold, and then the price of that category, right? So I want to get the total sale for this one. The simple way in our normal life, we do multiply our quantity into our price, right? And then we get we do for every single category, right? And then we do the sum for our total, right? So this is our everyday life. We use this formula. But what if we don't need to do all of this calculation, and with only with one function it gives us the same value? That is magic, right? So so sum product, that is a very magical in that way. So let's see. So if we say we need the sum, we are doing the sum product, right? Sum product, we need to select the first array. We want this one, right, into with this price, right? And then enter. It gives us the same value. There's no, we don't need to do many calculations. It's only within one calculation it gives us the same value. So this is a classical sum product. What if we have more conditions? How can we use this function? Of course we can use this function. So let's see how we can use this function in the complex way, right? So here what I want, I have already made the drop down values here for my category. I do have 3 categories, but I have only added 2. Why I have only added 2? Let's add the another one as well. So in my category I do have dry fruits as well, right? Dry fruits, right? Yes. So this must have 3 different categories now, right? So I have already created my drop down list here. If you don't know how to create the drop down list, I have already made the another tutorial on this, how to create the drop down list. So you can go back to my channel and then check it there. So let's back on this one. So I want to check the total sales for fruits, or even we can say I want to check the total sales for vegetables, right? So I do have different categories: fruits, vegetables, and then dry fruits, right? But I want to check the total sale for vegetables only. So we are going to give the conditions is equal to sum product, right? Sum product, and then from this category, if this category is equal to this, right, then I want to get the product of quantity into price, right? And then close the bracket. Then it gives us this value. Let's see, we want to check the total sales for fruits. So for fruits it is 8,964, and then for dry fruits is 7,025, right? So for vegetables 1,460. so we can check it here. For vegetables, this one, and then this one, and then this one. So we do have 4 different vegetables here, and then we can see the sum for these 4 vegetables are 1,460. so this is what we have got here. And another one, if we want to see the quantity sold for any category, right? So what we can give the another condition. So is equal to sum product, right? Sum product. So again we are going to give the condition equal to this category is equal to vegetables, right? And multiply quantity, and then close the bracket. So we have total 5 quantities sold for the vegetables. Let's check. So these are the vegetables. Yes, we have 5 total quantities sold for vegetables. And then let's check for dry fruits. For dry fruits we have sold total quantities for dry fruit is 5.5 kg. So in this way we can use this sum product formula. Okay, let's give the more complex condition now. So what I want to check now, I want to get the total sales for any category wherever the quantity was sold equal to 2 kg. Quantity was sold equal to 2 kg and the price was less than, let's say 500 rupees, right? So what we need to do, we are giving the condition here for the sum product function. The first condition we are giving wherever the quantity is equal to 2 kg, right? And then the second condition we are giving here, and the price is let's say less than 500 rupees. I want to get the total for that one. So it has given me there is only one product where all of these two condition matches, right? So let's see. So we said that I want to get wherever the quantity sold 2 kg. So we do have this product and this product. We have only 2 products here, right? And the another condition we have given that the price less than $500 or rupees, right? So here the price is more than 500, here the price is less than 500. So we have only one category where our condition matches. So that's why it has given us only one product. So let's say we have changes this one to quantity to 1, where the quantity matches to 1 and the price is less than 500, and then I want to get the total. So how many categories we do have in total, right? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 different categories, not the categories, the products, where we have sold 1 kg, but the second condition was the price was less than 500. So here we have more than 500, so this doesn't match. Here we have more than 500, this doesn't match with our condition. So we have only these 2 products where both the condition are matches. So that's why it has given us 2 products here. So in this way we can give like the any condition we want and then get the result what we want as well. So but we need to make sure, we need to keep in mind that the ranges we use if we use this range, this much range, and then the second condition for that whatever the second condition we are giving, the range should be the same. Suppose here we have given this range, but in the second one we have given only up to here, so it won't count, it will give us null value. So that's why the dimension of the range should be the same, right? And then the suppose here we have given any text value here. Suppose we have any text value here as well, right? It will count it as a 0, it won't count it like another number, or it will count it as a 0, right? So we need to keep all of these things in mind, and then at the end this is very another versatile and then very useful function. होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू hit on the bell icon button. See you again with a new video. Thanks for now. Bye.